this is Govind from Autopictures, and when I come to this session, before I have some lot of queries about this sales and topics and this everything about it, because I'm new to the sales team. Okay, but after this training program with this Mr. Amit Sharma sir is very useful to me in for working with this sales teams that and all, how to handle the customers and how to crack the deals and how to how to improve the sales productivity that and all. So I feel it will be very good to improve our company performance as well as my performance in my company, and as well as it will be useful to um, um, how to how to increase our profitability in our products, and how to increase our customers, and how to give the value to the customers that and all. Okay, everything is very useful to us. Okay, it will be very useful to us. Thank you to Disha for this.
As my colleague said, it was very useful. It was very useful, and Mr. Amit Sharma was really a great guy. Expressed many things and shared many more experience of his own. And the strategies he taught us was as something with sales. Actually, even I'm also, as my colleague, I'm also new to the sales industry. All the factors, all the strategies I have here is more. I feel it is more useful because, moreover, I'm relating all the scenarios with my personal scenarios. So I think this will be useful to any of the sales guy who's struggling to make better sales process.